Hey, it's Paul, and my newest piece of gear, my Wandelen backpacking tent. 3-season, 2-person tent. The ones that I have are really heavy, so thought I would try this one. Found it on Amazon, did some research using some YouTube videos. Looks like it's really good. So let's see what it comes with. Got the obligatory huge bubble wrap. Comes in another box. So we'll set this one aside. Let's throw the bubble wrap aside. Okay, got some more tape. So it comes in this really nice bag. Looks like there's a lot of space in it left over. Which tells me, or I hope, indicates that I will be able to get it back in the bag really easily. Y'all know how hard it can be sometimes to get a tent back in the stuff sack that it comes in. The reviews that I saw are telling me that the bag is really big and easy. Oh yeah. I mean, look, I can move this thing back and forth. There is absolutely no problem being able to get this back in. So it comes with the bag. Oh, gave me a free camping lamp, lantern. Let's see what's in here. So, USB rechargeable. Can hang from the top of your tent. Ooh, it's really bright too. Sweet. Oh, okay. I guess with all of these, you gotta have that flash. Suppose you can use it like so when you go running or something. Alright, let's put that away so I don't lose it. And away you go. Oh, now need it. Right, another piece of gear that I love. Alright, so put that. Anything else in here? Nope, just felt weird. Okay. Now I'm doing this from the kitchen table, so I don't know how much I'm really going to actually be able to see what's here. Alright. So we got tent poles, Got a bag with the tent stakes. So, another reason I got this tent is most of where I'm going to go hiking and doing my overnighters, I'm going to be on tent platforms, and the trekking pole tent that I have, you can't use it on a tent platform because you gotta use guy lines to keep the tent poles to keep the trekking poles up, and on tent platforms that takes up too much space. With tent platforms, they're trying to get multiple tents on the platform, so if you're going out in the woods and you don't have to worry about tent platforms, then a trekking pole tent is good for you. If you're like me, where I hike, you have tent platforms, you gotta have freestanding tents. Yeah, freestanding tents may weigh a bit more than, say, trekking pole tents, but if trekking pole tent isn't gonna work for you, what good is it, right? Comes with these triangle, looks like aluminum or feels like aluminum tent stakes. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tent stakes, and a couple guy lines. Again, that come in its own bag. Goes back in. I don't know about you, man, but when the Amazon truck rolls around, it's like I'm back to being a little kid waiting for the UPS truck. Yeehaw. I don't get much delivered via UPS. It's all Amazon nowadays. Alright, so we got the tent poles, tent stakes and guy lines. Okay. Okay, got the Wandelen. Okay, so we got the rainfly. Thing about that I like about this rainfly, it has these buckles that buckle to the tent to really secure the rainfly to the tent. Most of the other tents that I have used in the past, all you do is stake them down. And I find when you're staking, if you just stake down a rainfly, it's really easy for the wind to catch it and blow it away, blow it around. So I like rainflies that you can actually attach to the tent. Alright. Yeah, we'll figure out how that works later. But again, the rainfly. Got... Okay. Comes with a footprint. Some people know it as a ground sheet. Protect the bottom of your tent. Make it last longer. And of course, the tent. So, what I have seen with this what you do, if I understand this, and I'll figure it out when I go to put it together, what you do is you put the footprint down first, and you attach the tent poles to the footprint, so it's like a skeleton, and then you kind of like hang the tent from, we'll call this an exoskeleton, so from your tent poles. So that's going to be very different, because usually when I have tents that use these poles, you're fishing them through pockets, and for me it's kind of hard to fish through the pockets. They always get snagged somewhere, especially when you go to take it apart. So I'm really looking forward to this new type of tent where you just kind of you hang it from, I'll call it a superstructure, exoskeleton, your tent poles. So it's going to be really interesting. So I'm really looking forward to putting this together. So let's test out if we can actually put this all back into the bag. Spare piece, can't lose that. Okay. Tents in. Tent and footprint. Rainfly. Stakes. And poles. And a free lantern. Suck it all up. Sweet. Fit all back in really easily. They say it's 3 pounds. Feels relatively light. I really can't tell until I get it into my pack. But I'm really looking forward to this. So again, it's the Wandelen Appalachian 2 two-person tent. I will leave a link to the Amazon description where I bought it. I'll put that right in the description below. If you wanted to see more of my gear reviews or gear discussions, I will leave a link to those right here. And if you wanted to see more of my hikes through the wilderness of New Hampshire, I will put a playlist right over here. So I appreciate you coming along with me of this unboxing of my Wandelen Appalachian 2 3-season tent. Until I see you on my next video, this is Paul, signing off.